So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily curve text in your Google Docs. So as most of you may have noticed that in Google Docs there is no direct option to actually curve your text. So whenever I try to highlight any text from over here, as you can see, whenever I try to highlight some text from over here and head over to format, there is no direct option to change or convert it to curve. So instead what we're gonna do is just head over to any of your website that is curve text generator, and you can simply open that up. So I prefer this one over here, so I'll simply select any one of these from over here. So let's say I want this lower circular text, and you can choose any other if you want, and just paste the word or text which you would like to change or curve, make a curve of over here. So let me quickly paste it over here just like this, and once I paste it you can actually scale to increase its size, and you can just increase the size or curvedness of the particular text just like this as well. And you can always change the color, so let me just change my color to black just like this, and you can also change it to RGBA. And if you don't want shadow you can completely disable it just like this, and if you want shadow you can just open and increase and decrease this chance as well. So that is exactly how we do it. And once you do that, just click on this download button and download it as your JPG or PNG, and as you can see it has been successfully downloaded. Now simply head over to your Google Docs back just like this, and simply select insert, select image and upload from computer, and just insert the image which you just downloaded, and you can just readjust the position of your image in place of that particular text just like this. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.